The best tips for succeeding in affiliate marketing. Knowing how to start affiliate marketing can be daunting at first, however, it can pay off in the long run. It takes patience and a wealth of knowledge to get started on the right foot. This video will provide specific tips and hints on how to make the most out of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing requires a lot more than selling great products. It also requires you keeping an up-to-date site to work as your digital shop. Use current web layouts or news on your domain to keep the patron's attention. If you let your design or products run out of date, you will notice that you can't bring in those same quality customers you could previously. You can use past customers to draw in new ones by giving a bonus for referring new users to the service. Your old customers will love the chance to get deals and will do your advertising work for you. Their friends will trust a recommendation of a close friend more than an ad, and they'll be much more likely to shop at your store. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make sure that your affiliate company offers their sales statistics in real time. Real-time statistics let you see the number of visitors who have been directed from your site, and how many of those visitors made a purchase from the affiliate company. You may have to invest a little bit of capital if you expect big results in affiliate marketing. Do not be afraid to spend some money on ad services that will allow you to better target traffic. This will ultimately increase your presence online and give you many more chances to earn big commissions. In conclusion, you learn not only some basics about affiliate marketing but also some specific ways in which you can apply it to your own business. As long as you are committed and have goal to work toward, the tips in this video should help you find success. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.